Just had a customer come in today. They dropped off a Cartier watch for me to sell on consignment. I'm just gonna go over it with you guys real quick and show you guys what we got in here. It's a Cartier Roadster, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. So it's a lady's watch, and it's white gold Roadster with factory diamonds. Comes with the box and papers. She bought it in 2005 and is now selling it. And it's a pretty cool watch. I actually like it better in person than in pictures, but it's really nice for a lady. And as you can see, it actually has diamonds here on the crown, which is kind of cool. Factory diamonds all the way around the bezel. It has a quick set for the date, which I will show you right here. There we go. Quick set date, standard time. It's running great. And this model is a 2723. It's the Roadster. This is around 30 millimeter. And it also has this quick change for the strap. So that's kind of cool. You could change it really easily. She bought this one. This band is the Alligator band, which is around $1,000. Just, you know, if you want to get a new one, she paid that from Cartier. But she also has the original one right here, so you could use either one. I'm actually struggling to get this in. Okay, there it goes. And if we wanted to, this is the papers. So it comes with a manual and the other paperwork in here, just the date of purchase, serial number, stuff like that. And we're selling it for her right now. The comps, if you look around, are around 12,500 to 15,000. She'll take 12,000 for it. And it's a pretty good deal. It comes with the extra straps, that's another grand, and then with the box and papers and everything. You can see the detailing on the dial is very nice. That's just a piece of dust or something, but yeah, it's a really nice watch. If you're interested in it, let me know. And you know, please follow for more deals. I'm gonna be showing some more stuff. And this one's really nice. That's it for now. It's also, yeah, water resistant, white gold, case is white gold, buckles white gold, factory diamonds. I don't know what they would even sell this for today if they made it. I would guess it'd be 20 grand or something, but who knows. That's it.